Magandang umaga, tanghali at gabi sa inyong lahat. Halina tuklasin natin ang kasaysayan ng Municipality of Tupi, South Cotabato.
At next, pupunta kayo sa pinakasikat na putasan dito sa room.
Ito ang pangunahing produkto na nagmumula sa Tupi, South Cotabato, papaya.
At ito rin ang isa sa pinakamalaking agrikultura ng Tupi, South Cotabato, ang pinya.
Dito, marami kang mapupuntahan at mapapasyalan katulad ng at kada taon tuwing September 11, nagse-celebrate sila ng Agtan Tupi Festival o kilala bilang Fruit, Flower, and Vegetable Basket of Tupi, South Cotabato.
Good afternoon, sir. Here's the first question. Paano po na-discover ang Tupi?
Alright, so good afternoon. So according to the story or the legend of Tupi, Tupi was discovered during the time of General Paulino Santos. So which siya yung one of the lead person to settle down dito sa Tupi, and that was during February 27, 1939. And according to the history also, Tupi is under the legislative area of Coronadal City. And it was found out also that Tupi was founded in the year um, in the year 1953, that was September 11, 1953, and became an independent municipality by the virtue of Executive Order number 612 by the late President Elpidio Quirino. So the founding year of Tupi is September 11, 1953, and another part of history of Tupi is according to the history, meron isang foreigner, and it came out that nung napunta siya dito sa Tupi, marami daw yung puno ng yung chewing, parang native native tree, parang chewing yung pangmama, and it was called a Blaan term, Tufi. And di ba kung mga foreigner, iba yung tawag siya, pronunciation. And later on, from the word tufi, which is yung chewing ng mga native natin tree, and it changed into tupi. So as of the moment, the term from Blaan word tufi changed into tupi in a way. So
That's all. Thank you, sir.
And what are the things that the Tupi have?
About the Tupi in the demography, currently Tupi has a total population of 75 or 89 as of 2024 a data census from the PSA. And what are the things that Tupi can be proud of is, of course, we can't deny that Tupi is a booming tourism capital in South Cotabato. If not Lake Cebu, maybe Tupi. So that is one thing na isa sa pinagmamalaki ng Tupi. And also Tupi is also the fruit, flower, and vegetable basket of South Cotabato, or the inter-province. Aside from the known as the Tupi as the fruit, flower, and vegetable basket of the South, one thing also to consider is the weather. And
Beautiful thing that Tupi can boost to everyone.
what Tupi I think one thing that Tupi can boost or can be proud in a certain way is, as I've mentioned earlier, one of the tourism sector itself, and of course the people, the hospitable manner that people of Tupinian has. And also I think the tourism sector, of course, that one thing that builds growth and development for the